Okay, guys, we're going to go through a quick video on what we did to improve the Prestige Keys website. So, Prestige Keys is an existing client of ours. This website is around 5 years old, and we're going to go through step by step what we did to improve it. Firstly, let's start from top to bottom. The offers are added to the top of the page. When you scroll, they disappear. So, we thought we need to change that. Second thing, the header's quite large. So, when it comes to Google loading, it will actually have an impact on your site loading speed. Thirdly, sliders, they're great, but we thought we could do something a bit more exciting. So on the new website, we streamlined the header, we decreased the size of the logo, we put the menu just right there so you can actually click on it and see everything right in front of yourself rather than having to find the icon to click and open and travel through various steps. We removed quite a lot of the stuff that was junking up the header in order to improve the site loading speed, and we created a video that looks absolutely awesome upon landing on this website. Gives you a real look, and it gives you the real sort of feel of the business's offerings. Supercars, prestigious lifestyle. It just brings it all up in your face in a very nice professional way. Going back to the existing website, when you scroll down, the next thing you see is a couple of icons here presenting their reviews. So we thought, how can we make this a little bit more effective? We added a welcome text with a small paragraph and highlighted the reviews with a white box so they stand out a little bit more, with separated icons just below, along with a nice USP. These reviews scroll automatically and update automatically with reviews that have anything above 4 or 5 star score mark. So that's just done to improve the flow of the website. Whereas here, it's a bit of a mess. Back to the offers and news and alerts, we thought instead of having it at the top of the website on a top bar where they disappear the minute you scroll, we thought we'd put it down a little bit further down on the website. So it is something that you'll definitely see. The reason why is because, look, when you land on this website, after watching a few seconds of this video, you're more than likely to scroll. And then you're going to scroll again until you find what you're looking for, which is within the first two scrolls. And we felt like this is a bit of key information that should actually be presented to you with a bit more of a standout section, with more of a standout section. Plus, the client needs to edit this section themselves, so they have access, and when they do, this section will just automatically update. Secondly, the cars. So across the original website, you have all the cars displayed. They're not in any particular order. They do have slides for every single one, which is a nice touch, but it costs you when it comes to loading speeds. You do have the specs just sort of listed. So yeah, very nice. However, we need to improve it. So we got some fresh pictures of the cars. We included all the key information. We laid it out in a list format with icons to add a bit more of an appealing touch. We got rid of the slider to increase the speed and the loading of the website, which was key for the client. Now, when you go into each car, let's just say, for example, the Lamborghini Huracan Performante, you're presented with a big block, an overlay of the image, an overlay on top of the vehicle image, and a big block booking form, which is very important. We needed to keep this booking form as a part of their system. It's a part of their existing system that they're not looking to change just yet, and some descriptive stuff about the car, along with services, and that's pretty much it. So how can we improve this? What we did is we changed the header so it's a lot smaller, so easier and faster to load. And instead of using the picture of a car, we thought we'd be creative and use the headlights of every single vehicle to give each page its own character, add in pictures of the vehicle themselves as well, so people can see the inside and outside and different angles of the car. We kept the booking form, but nice and tidy now on the left-hand side, along with the description, and most importantly, a contact form. So if you do have any requests and you don't want to book online, you can simply just get in touch through the contact form, along with frequently asked questions. And this touch here is carried on with every single car. So I haven't loaded every car, but you can get the idea. It just gives each page its own character. The reason why some cars do have the booking form missing, just in case anybody points it out, is because some cars are for chauffeur drive only. So once that's set up, you literally click on that button and you'll be taken over to a chauffeur drive form where you can fill out your details and book your chauffeur car in. And the other thing we decided to change was the service pages. So when you go onto service pages, let's just say corporate car hire, again, very big block with a large image to be loaded first, and then not much going on. You have some pictures of, various events, I guess. You've got the reviews, but then to get in touch for this service, you have to literally click get in touch and go to the contact page. There's also a loading error here where the graphics are sort of bugging out and they're not loading. So that was another issue that we identified. On the new website, you simply go to our services, corporate car hire. The page loads up. You have an image, of course. You have a header with an image hidden in the background, which is fine. You have your text. You have your reviews with no broken images and a contact form along with the social media stuff on the footer as per normal. So that's the main design elements that we've introduced onto the new website, along with a host of other features. This website will be released very soon, so have a look at it and please do give us your feedback. We'd be happy to hear from you. Thank you very much.